Okay guys, got a 17-inch crease on this Mercedes-Benz aluminum fender. ML, 17 inches. Gets fairly deep towards the end here. Took out the liner. What I'm gonna do here is I'm probably gonna brace off the frame there, do a little reverse leverage action, and do a little bit of dragging, some slapping, eventual pushing. And we'll get this thing flat. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little dent dial action. Check it out. Hey guys, all done with the Mercedes fender. Let's take a look. Okay, we've got aluminum fender, had a 17-inch crease. Pretty much went from here to here. Fix this with paintless dent repair. Use pry bars off the wheel and then also off the inner frame, and just slowly recreased that damage back to its original position. 3 tools I used. Started off with a Stanliner pirate hook, very stout tool. Use a rocking motion. Then I pried off the frame with the Dent Dial 22 heavy and this very cool recreasing tab. Then finished up, did some detail work with the Ultra double bend. So there you go. If you're doing big smashes, I highly recommend these tools. They are essential. They make your job so much faster, cleaner, and easier. So thanks for watching, guys.